Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about embracing our natural beauty and taking care of ourselves. Today's video is a game changer for many of us dealing with a common concern: dandruff. But don't worry, we've got your back with 12 simple and easy home remedies for dandruff removal. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the remedies, let's quickly understand what dandruff is. Dandruff is a common scalp condition characterized by the shedding of dead skin cells. It often leads to those pesky white flakes that can land on your shoulders. Now, let's move on to the good stuff: how to bid farewell to these unwanted guests. Number 1. Lemon juice. The acidity of lemons helps balance the pH of your scalp, reducing dandruff. Massage a few teaspoons onto your scalp, leave it for a few minutes, and then rinse. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil. It's not just for your skin. It's a fantastic dandruff remedy too. Massage warm coconut oil onto your scalp, leave it overnight, and wash it out in the morning for nourished, flake-free hair. Number 3. Aloe vera gel. Nature's soothing balm aloe vera. Apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel to your scalp, leave it for 30 minutes, and wash it off. Its anti-inflammatory properties can work wonders for dandruff-prone scalps. Number 4. Tea tree oil. Meet the powerhouse tea tree oil. Mix a few drops with your regular shampoo or carrier oil, and use it regularly. Tea tree oil's antifungal properties can help combat the fungus that contributes to dandruff. Number 5. Baking soda. A kitchen superhero baking soda. Wet your hair, rub a handful of baking soda into your scalp, and rinse thoroughly. It helps exfoliate the scalp, removing excess flakes. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. The versatile wonder apple cider vinegar. Mix it with water and spray it on your scalp before washing. Its acidity can help prevent the growth of dandruff-causing fungus. Number 7. Rosemary oil. Dilute a few drops of rosemary oil in a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and massage it into your scalp. Rosemary oil's antimicrobial properties make it a great choice for tackling dandruff while leaving your hair smelling fresh and invigorating. Number 8. Fenugreek seeds. Now, let's talk about fenugreek seeds. Soak them overnight, blend them into a paste, and apply it to your scalp. Fenugreek is known for its soothing and moisturizing properties. Number 9. Garlic. The kitchen remedy with a bite: garlic. Crush a few cloves and mix them with honey. Apply this mixture to your scalp for a natural antifungal boost. Number 10. Olive oil. Liquid gold olive oil. Warm it up, apply it to your scalp, and wrap your head with a warm towel. Olive oil's moisturizing properties can help combat dryness and flakes. Number 11. Yogurt. A kitchen staple: yogurt. Apply plain yogurt to your scalp, leave it for 30 minutes, and rinse. The probiotics in yogurt can contribute to a healthy scalp environment. Number 12. Onion juice. Last but not least, the tearjerker onion juice. Extract the juice, apply it to your scalp, and leave it for an hour before washing. It might have a strong smell, but the sulfur in onions can help reduce dandruff. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more self-care goodness, and share it with friends who might be dealing with dandruff. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.